So these are the literary devices. When we criticize the poem or essay, then we use literary devices in it by the context of whether it is poem or whether it is short story. First, there are total 12 literary devices, basic literary devices. First, irony. Irony means if it is poem or short story, it will be as simple as it is, but behind its hidden meaning as an image is very deep. For example, I cannot wait to read 700 pages essay. Mm, there is no essay which has 700 pages. It can at least 2 to 3 pages. So has a deep meaning. Personification, to give a human attribute to non-living thing. Like, if what is human attribute? Human attribute is like beauty. So when we add beauty to non-living thing, like with car or with chair, so it becomes personification. Example, look at my car, she is beauty. So it's a personification example. Third one is hyperbole, exaggerate to intensify. If there is any point like hungry, if we exaggerate it, so it is hyperbole. Like example, I am hungry, so uh, it can relate hungry, I can eat all house. Like nobody can eat all house. So this is a hyperbole, that hungry word is exaggerate to intensify upon a point at how a person is hungry, how much one person is hungry. Like the person can eat all the house, he is very hungry. Then humor, it is an indirect way of fun. So as I fish that can break dance. There is no fish that can break dance in this world. So it is an indirect of fun. So it is added in humor. Simile, if there is a one tense, if we compare one word with like or as, so it becomes simile. Like his hair are soft as spider webs. All the word like or as are not simile. It is like this. If the sentence is like this is as soft as spider's web, then this is a simile. As sharp as knife means, or if it is as sharp as like knife, so the like will be simile. Couplet. Couplet literary device is only in poems. A pair of lines of verse, if there is two lines or it's called lines, or also called verse. If there are two lines or two verse and their sounds are same in a poem, then this is called couplets. Like in example, there are just two verse, so it becomes couplet. It's hard to see butterfly because it flies across the sky. What is dramatic monologue? A character expresses ideas or speech alone. When a person is alone, then expresses ideas or thinking about something lonely. Like example, this is pointless, you know, I will not leave. So this line is talking by a person lonely. Or I is used wherever in poem or short story. Where I is used, it is known as our literary device of dramatic monologue. Stanza is also added in the poem, not in short story. More than two lines, like as above. Couplet has two lines, but in stanza there are more than two lines. Sentence make a stanza. Like in example, there are four words, so it is a stanza. Like, if you were a shining star and I were your midnight, I would let you shine above me. You would be my own light. Then what is satire? To criticize by my making fun. To to make a fun of any person. Like in example, political cartoon. Symbols. A symbol is something that stands for suggest something else. Like if there is something to attach with somebody is a symbol. Like example, time is money. Black represent that. Time shows the money in general, and black Also, people said that it represents the death. Rhyming is also just in poems. This is, it is a literary device of just poem, not for short stories. The sentences in poem that sound same. Like in our pre-classes or in preschools, we had taught the rhyming like fridge, bridge, same sound, feet, meet, feet, same sound,